Alrighty, it's your boy. How you guys doing? This is the car here. I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but yeah, we're unwrapping the car. Nice and simple there. The decision was made because of the damage, obviously, to the side of the car, and honestly, I love green, but I also love silver, and that's one of the main reasons why I bought the car. I've had it for about a week now, and yeah, that's it. So we're gonna get unwrapping it. It's nice and hot outside right now, so it'll make it easier to take it off. I'm gonna get as much done as I can now in like the next 30 minutes, and then tomorrow we will continue the unwrap process. So yeah, let's get started. All right, hello Wasp. So yeah, this is what the side of the car is looking like right now. Obviously, since the accident. So let's just go over it real quick. They did a really good job as far as blending and putting both panels together.
Okay, so I know I just complimented the job that they did, but yeah, I don't think they really did the best job. So let's go ahead and see what it looked like when I picked up the car. I'm going to show you that video now, that footage, and then, yeah, I'll touch base back again in a moment here.
All right, well, this is the car. This is what was repaired here. Actually see that this was actually just touched up here. That's pretty much it. Not really that much work. I'll show pictures, but they pretty much did this whole part. Sorry, this whole section right here.
Okay, so this first picture here is what it looked like when they got it, and as you can see, there's a little bit of a dent in the middle in between the top two pullers, but yeah, so this is them pulling some dents. And the next photo here we have when they fixed it, so pretty much I guess they couldn't pull the dents or whatever reason, but you can see that there is a layer of Bondo, and obviously they sanded everything. And then you can also see the window that they took out, the quarter glass here, and that's why the tint was ruined. So yeah, yep, it's looking straight. And then in our next photo we have the test paint here, so this is our paint sample, and then the last one we have is when they sprayed it. So I'll give them props for, like, I want to say, like, keeping me informed during the whole process here, and I think that was really professional. And yeah, overall, awesome job, right? But as you can still see that the car is wrapped underneath. So they only removed the wrap in the portion that they were fixing. So it didn't give them an opportunity to actually blend it throughout the whole thing. And I think that's what ended up ruining it overall. So yeah.
Alrighty, so yeah, this is what the car is looking like. Everything's working. We're gonna talk about the issues I ran into where the car wouldn't charge. So we'll start with that. This is what the wheel's looking like right now. We still got to get this fixed. It's missing a chunk right there, as you can see. But as far as paint in the sun, the paint looks pretty damn good. I'll give them that. For a match and a blend, pretty good. You can tell we have like a little bit of darkness here around the repair area, but it's really not that noticeable. Overall, pretty good blend and a pretty good job overall. So yeah, we'll see how it drives. The air, as you can see, is working. We're lowered. So yeah, it's been a while. Car smells terrible on the inside. Also, there was damage to the tint here because they actually removed the window. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty good. We did have a small issue with the paint here. Let's see if you can notice it at an angle. So right here, there's like a small divot. Really hard to see. But yeah, otherwise, everything else was done really good. And we should be getting a wheel replacement at some point here. As you can see, we're missing a chunk here. The rest of the wheel is honestly pretty okay, but I'm probably just gonna order something new anyway. So went ahead and started unwrapping the mirror already. So I'm gonna start there and then, you know, go from there. And then we still have this clear coat issue here too. So hopefully at some point get that redone. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this going here. Alrighty, so the car's looking. All the silver, all the green is off. Spoiler's still on somehow, but honestly, looks pretty good in silver. Not too bad. Only thing we got going on is right here where the clear coat ripped. I put a piece there just to cover it up so it doesn't get damaged. Oh wait, I lied. I missed one spot here. Bumper cover. Alright. All the green's gone now. But yeah. Looks pretty good. Looks like we got some missing paint there on the bottom. If you can see that right there. And let's check the other side. Nah. Yeah, so yeah, everything looks pretty good. Paint matches really good on that side. Alrighty, well, what are we gonna do next?
Lastly, here is a photo of the car, and as you can tell on the rear left side of the vehicle here, it looks darker. So it's noticeable to me. I don't think most people even care or would notice, but again, I know. So that's why I don't really enjoy the work that they did, but it is what it is. I have the car back, and that's the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.